This quick video is just to demonstrate the operations of the Lapmasters prior to shipping. This is Lapmaster asset ID 140382 with the serial number 18349. We're going to go ahead and test this rear pump. I'm gonna switch it on, turn on the RPMs. It's turning. I'm gonna lower the RPMs, switch it off. Now we're gonna turn on the actual lapping instrument. You can adjust this to whatever needs you want. We'll press start. Adjust the speed. Turn it off. And we'll turn on the RPMs in this. Go ahead, turn it off. It comes with the speed controller. Comes with the manual. Some polishing plates. These 3 things. Its bag and 3 weights with 3 shims. Now we'll go ahead and do the second one. This one is asset 140376. Serial number 18342. Same thing. We'll go ahead, test the speed controller, turn it on, turn on the RPMs. There it is. Lower the RPMs, turn it off. Go ahead, turn on the main unit. Press start. Back to the second unit. This had no program, so as soon as you turn it on, it will turn it back off. I just did a quick program, so we'll go ahead and turn it on now. Rotate the RPMs to high. Turn it off. Lower the RPMs. And that's it. Previously this turned off after I turned it on because there was no set time for polishing, but now I set a random time. Go ahead, turn it off. And it also comes obviously with the speed controller, the bag, the 3 weights, the 3 shims, the manual, some plates, and these.